Okay folks, this is a really cool phenomenon. This here is a cypress tree. It is here at the base of the dam, back along the Guadalupe Trail. This tree fell over many years ago and regrew its limbs as the tree trunk's going straight up. You can tell because right here, this is the root ball, the surface where the roots used to be anchored to the ground, presumably right here. I would have to believe that a flood came across this area, unsurfaced the roots from the soil, and the tree tipped over. As it tipped over, the original trunk here along the ground stopped producing up here. You can tell the wood is dead down there. It's dry and dead. But some limbs instinctively grew up and up and up. And you can see if you follow all the way up, they are very healthy trees. And it's not a new tree. It's the same tree here that produced these trunks there. Therefore, from one tree you get two amazingly nice trees. And as you get closer, you can actually look at the root ball, the gnarled roots, how they grow down into the ground. You can also see other trees that planted themselves here inside the cavity of the old roots, and here, and there, as you can see, right there. And you can have vines there that decide to grow and climb on and connect to it too. We'll get a little closer. You can see the roots of the original trees and the new trees, all connected, all part of the same system and ecology. This is what science and botany and biology is all about. Taking one thing and keep on growing with what nature gives you. It is a powerful thing, nature is. You can see right here how the roots decayed. But even though this section of the roots are decayed, inside is a network of the original roots and the new roots of the other trees. Very hard to see in this light. Hopefully you can see it up on my little camera. There is a good example. That is a root from the new tree that goes all the way up to here and goes out. And these are vines. These are, as you can tell, hollow and empty and dead. But they are beautiful, even though they are dead. You can see the roots right here even. This is amazing. See the roots come out of another tree root here. This is really cool. This is what nature is all about. How it takes and grows and continues to grow even in adversity. Even when weather knocks it down, trees keep coming back. Plants keep coming back. People keep coming back. Not from the dead. We are not talking about zombie invasions. We are talking about natural trees and plants and healthy things that keep coming. This is indeed a dead section of the tree here. From here to here, it is dead. It is drying and dying. From there up, you got another tree trunk, and there up, you got another tree trunk. And they are strong and healthy and growing. This is an amazing example of nature. Very cool, very nice. And it's surrounded by much younger hardwood trees. These are the trees that probably sprouted after the other flood came through and wiped out or knocked down this tree. And as you can tell, there are worn areas in here. This is a track area. Lots of footprints from deer and other critters going through here. Heavily used up through the growth area and out through there. That over there is the current river channel for the Guadalupe River. This over here is the original river channel. Hardly ever touched or used. Let's go take a quick look at it. You'll love it. It's a beautiful spot. You gotta keep walking. And as you come over here, you'll go through all types of vegetation and growth. It's just gorgeous here. Gotta get down, duck, gotta watch out for the trees. You don't want to get your head in the wrong stuff. There are poison ivy vines out here, and we're trying to be very careful not to catch and spread such a nice little plant. Now here is the original river channel for the Guadalupe River before they dammed it up. This is what's left of the original river channel. The river usually came in from that end, near North Park end, and rushed right down through here and out that direction. The alluvial soils on the side were deposited over decades and centuries of probably flow from the river. It goes out down there, and it actually connects up with another channel that man-made and connected from the outlets over here over to here, where the channel originally flowed. You can see it sort of diverts, goes right around in two sections here, but this is the original river channel of the Guadalupe River. Very gorgeous, very nice.